Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wildlifepedia. Today let's see some interesting facts about wolves and their subspecies. There are three species of wolves in the world. They are the red wolf, gray wolf and the timber wolf. However, there is a debate whether the gray wolf and the timber wolf are two different species. And there are about 38 subspecies of wolves and 24 of these live in North America. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, and the gray wolves are the largest among all wolf species. Males measure around 3.5 to 6 feet in length and weigh up to 170 pounds, whereas females are smaller, about 100 pounds. Their coat color is a mix of gray and brown, sometimes even white, brown or black. Gray wolves living in north are larger than gray wolves living in the south. They live in Alaska, southwest Mexico and Arizona. They can live in woodlands, grasslands, forests and even in deserts. Their howls can be heard up to 6 miles away. They howl to communicate with each other, or alert other wolves of their presence. They live in packs of 2 to 12 members. Their diet consists of ungulates or large hoofed mammals such as elk, deer, moose, and caribou, as well as smaller mammals like beavers and rabbits. Gray wolf populations has been determined to be stable in many parts of the world, including Asia, Europe, North America. So on a global level, the gray wolf is considered a species of least concerned by IUCN. Now about the red wolves. Red wolves are smaller than the gray wolves, and have larger ears compared to gray wolves. Their scientific name is Canis rufus. They are hybrids of coyote and gray wolf. They are about 4 feet in length and stand about 2 feet at the shoulder. They weigh around 40 to 90 pounds. Their face and head consist of a mixture of tawny brown, light gray, and rusty red colors, while the chest and legs are red or tan and creamy white. They are often confused to coyote because of their appearance. Red wolves are native to southeastern United States, southeastern Oklahoma and southwestern Illinois in the west, and in the north from the Ohio River Valley, northern Pennsylvania. They were originally distributed throughout the southeastern and south-central United States from the Atlantic Ocean to central Texas. They prey on raccoons, rabbits, and rodents, along with white-tailed deer. They can travel up to 20 miles in search of prey. The red wolves are one of the most endangered wolf species in the world. Now let's see some of the subspecies of wolves. The Arctic wolves, their scientific name is Canis lupus arctos. They are medium-sized and completely white. They live in Alaska, Northwest Territories and Nauvoo of Ellesmere Island. They can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh about 60 to 125 pounds. They can live in extreme cold temperatures of the Arctic. They have 2 thick layers of fur to withstand extreme cold. They will hunt and eat caribou and muskoxen. They can eat up to 20 pounds of meat at a time. Next is the Mexican gray wolf, scientific name, Canis lupus bailey. They are the smallest of the North American wolf subspecies. They weigh about 50 to 85 pounds. They are found in southwestern New Mexico and Arizona in northeastern Mexico. They prey on elk, mule deer, white-tailed deer, and javelina. They were once common throughout southwestern of United States, but they were killed in 1970s because of conflicts with livestock and human activities. They are also considered as critically endangered species of wolves. There are about 200 Mexican gray wolves roaming in the wild headwaters of the Gila River, in southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico, and approximately 46 wolves living in Mexico. Next is the Vancouver Island wolf, also called sea wolves. Scientific name is Canis lupus crassidon. They live in the Vancouver Island, northwest coast of North America, Canada, and northern coastal parts of the island. Even in the South Port Renfrew, they live in grasslands, mountains and forests. They are different from other wolf species because they prey on sea animals like seals, fish. They also feed on barnacles, clams, herring eggs and river otters, making up to 90% of their diet. These wolves will also commonly feed on deer and small mammals, sometimes even on whale carcasses. They swim across island to island throughout the year searching for food. They are also in the list of endangered species. Next comes the Eurasian wolf. The scientific name is Canis lupus lupus, also known as the common wolf, European wolf, Tibetan wolf, Carpathian wolf, steppes wolf and Chinese wolf as a subspecies of the gray wolf. They are most common in Europe and Asia, ranging through Western Europe, Scandinavia, Russia, China, Mongolia and the mountains of Himalayan. Eurasian wolves have shorter, denser fur than their North American relatives. Their size differs according to their region, although adults measure about 28 inches at the shoulder and weigh around 65 to 130 pounds, with females usually being about 45 to 100 pounds. Eurasian wolf colors ranges from white, cream, red, gray and black. Wolves in Central Europe tend to have more dark-colored fur than those which live in Northern Europe. Their diet varies according to their ranges. Eurasian wolves commonly prey on medium-sized ungulates like mouflon, chamois, saiga, wild boar, red deer and local livestock. Eurasian wolves will occasionally eat smaller prey such as frogs and hares. They are currently considered as least concern by the IUCN. Next comes the Indian wolf. Scientific name Canis lupus palpus. They are found in India and other Arabian countries like India, Iraq, Iran, Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates. The light brown or reddish fur color is the main reason to be commonly confused for a fox. They are about 3 feet in length and it has a shorter and less dense coat as compared to other wolves. They can weigh up to 55 pounds. Their diet is rodents, antelopes, deer and hares. Indian wolves are clever like the fox and the coyote. They can sometimes feed on livestock. They have an excellent sense of smell and can hear sounds as far as 2 kilometers away. They are the only wolf species native to the Indian subcontinent. They use 4 types of vocalization: howling, growling, whimpering, or barking. In the Rudyard Kipling series The Jungle Book, Mowgli is raised by these Indian wolves. While the IUCN does not yet list Indian wolves as an endangered species, many believe it to be threatened because they are declining in numbers. Let's see about the Mongolian wolf. Scientific name Canis lupus chanko, is a subspecies of gray wolf which is native to Mongolia, Korea, northern and central China and the Ussuri region of Russia. It is said that there are 70,000 of these species in the wild. They are an important figure in Mongolian culture. Mongolian wolves are over 5 feet length and about 2.5 feet tall at the shoulder. They weigh about 85 pounds. They have closely spaced black speckles on the muzzle, below the eyes, and on the upper cheeks and ears. They prey on ungulates, small mammals, birds and carrion. Thank you for watching our video about wolves and their subspecies. Please like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.